Hello guys, welcome back to my channel ARIN, shooting after so long time just for you. And now we have our most viewed content of this channel, which is the 8 standard book set. Wow, it's so heavy. So let's go. Let's cut this. Now let's begin it. Bye. Now let's start our video. First, we have our art and craft bag with a pouch. So we will view this later. And now first we will start with the books. So now we have our new specialized loose sheets over here. You can see this. Wow. It has really changed. Oh, so we have our Marathi book set. We have a green theme over here. With this, we have a textbook too. And now we will start with our workbooks. So let's start it. So guys, before opening this, I will talk about something with you. That it was my fault that I haven't uploaded so much videos, but you can enjoy by seeing my shorts videos which I am uploading every month, so you can get delighted with it. So now I got my time to upload this video, so let's start by unboxing this workbooks. So let's start it. So guys, we have finally opened our workbooks and now we have the list with us. You can just see it. So I will read all this list what we have. So we have our computer workbook, English workbook, geography workbook, Hindi workbook, history workbook. Oh, then we have math workbook and science workbook. So let's see this. First we have our computer workbook with us. So, oh wow, this is a new themed English workbook. Now we have our geography workbook. It's so culturic, wow. Now we have our Hindi workbook. That's amazing. What a craft. And we have our history workbook with us. And this is math workbook, my favorite subject. And finally, we have our science workbook. Yay! Let's go! Before opening our textbooks, I have to tell you one thing. As all of you know, that our India is a growing country and we are in the era of New India having new education policy, which is NEP, National Education Policy. And even all the Podar international books are now having NEP edition books. So remember, always take new books when you buy it. So now let's start with the textbooks. Now textbooks are heavy ones. You all could know that. So now let's begin it. Now textbooks are my most favorite books in the school. So I am really much excited to see new books, new edition with NEP edition. Now I have the books list. I will just read it out. First we have our computer textbook, which is Tech Talk. We have one textbook. We have 2 English books, 3 Hindi books, 2 math books, which is one mental math and one is textbook. 5th one is science, which we have 2 books. Now history we have 1, geography also we have 1, and English we have another English book, which makes it into a total number of 3. So let's see it. Oh, wow, this Lahar book has really changed. It's like a mental math book. And same we have the book for supplementary reader of English. Now first we have our computer textbook. Whoa, that's amazing, really. Now we have our English textbook with us. We have our another English textbook with us. Oh, this is a language book. So Now this is a Hindi Akshar Deepika textbook. This is Vyakaran textbook of Hindi. This is the most important book in Hindi. Now we have mental maths book. Wow, it's so big. Wow, that's amazing. And now we have our main mathematics textbook. Now we have our science activity book, which we have to use in all the experiments. And we have our science matters textbook. Oh, it's so fat. I think he ate all the chemicals with it. Now we have a history textbook with us. And we have geography textbook. That's too amazing, guys. As I told you about the NEP edition, you can just check it. It's written over here. NEP edition, National Education Policy. That's too amazing. Now we will have new subjects to read, new books to have, and now we can study well. Now guys, we have our notebooks and loose sheets with us. So I'm not gonna open this because you have to use it for term 1 and term 2. So now we have completed our journey, and now let's start with our art and craft sets. So our whole art and craft book has changed. Wow. You can just check this blank pages and all. Wow. Now I am ready to become an artist with this book, and now I am ready to study. Now we have our art and craft kit. Wow. So we have a lot of equipment with us for art and craft. So I am really excited. Let's go, guys. And now let's study well and proper for our exams, upcoming exams in grade 8th. And I am really cheerful that I am now going to study in grade 8th. So guys, how was the video? I hope you enjoyed this video, and we are almost going to reach 500 subscribers. So it's very delightful, and I hope you subscribe, like, share, and please comment down that how was the video. And if you have any questions about this video or about the book set, then you can use the comment section down below. So bye guys. See you after reaching 500 subscribers.